pas mal, c'est très très confortable. Hello Cocos and welcome back to another video with me Coco. How are you doing? Wherever you are right now, whatever you're doing, you are amazing. Just remember that. Yeah, don't dim your light. No, don't dim your light for no one, because you are amazing just the way you are. If you haven't already, it's time to subscribe to the Coco Train. What are you waiting on? Come on. This train is on the move. All right. I exaggerated a bit, but please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell somebody if you tell somebody if you tell somebody, no? Yeah, because that's the thing I got turned. I just want to big up, say thank you to all 300 persons. I think now I'm at like 305. Thank you so much to each and every one of you. Without Uno, like this would not be as special as it is. I would not, feel motivated to get up and go and make videos and stuff. And yeah, I'm just excited for the journey. I also wanted to tell you I am on TikTok. Yes, the young people things because we're young. Yes, I'm on TikTok. I'm also on Instagram. My link is below, and I'm going to put my TikTok link below as well. So if you want to see fun, entertaining dances, because I'm just like there for the dances. I am no dancer, but I am on TikTok, okay? So guys, it's the weekend. It's the first weekend in June, and it's beautiful. It's sunny. We're outside. We're doing things. Yeah. I didn't video everything, but I will tell you about my weekend right now. So to start things off, Thomas is not feeling well. Thomas has a fever since Wednesday, and he's not shaking the fever, and we are a bit worried. Since yesterday Saturday, we've been drinking a lot of detox teas, we've been eating a lot of veggies and stuff. Yeah, so to help him, and he's been drinking a whole lot as well. It's not COVID because he did the test, so it's not COVID. There's just like a virus. It's something viral, and he's just like doing his best to shake it off. Guys, I did not know that bed shopping was so intricate and detailed, because this is the first time in my life that I've gone bed shopping. Yeah, and the guy was really nice and everything. After a while, he told me to stop filming because I wouldn't really get the full experience of being on the bed. But then we finally found one. So now we're trying out mattresses and pillows in France Literie, and it's like a bed company that's in our town that we just chose because it's in our town. Who knew buying a bed was so complicated? Thomas. I think this is going to be it. See my titty them out the door. Oh, this is such an eye-opening experience, because even your pillows, you should feel really good on your pillows too. I don't know if I'm trying to oversell, but he's done it. I'm afraid that I'm falling in love with the mattress that's the most expensive. So I'm going to try the fourth and final bed. Ah, c'est pas possible.
Wow. 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 Okay, guys, this might be it. I think we found our mattress.
Sound off in the comment section below. Have you ever gone bed shopping? Have you ever like tested beds? You know, like I actually watched a few videos. You have people who actually drop asleep on the bed while they test the bed. What does the salesperson do in that position? Do they go away and wait until the person wakes up? Anyway, if you've been bed shopping, sound off in the comment section. Let me know what your experience was like, because as you could see, like it was so new and enlightening for me, because I didn't even know you were supposed to be feeling for something special. But anyway, we have a bed now. The bed has not been delivered as yet. We need to actually, we need to get sheets and a duvet cover. Right, we need to get a new duvet and pillows and stuff, and a bed head and all those kind of things. But again, these things will come a little later on. Look at me looking like somebody's rich auntie, and I'm not even rich. I just have the look. Alright, Cocos, so I just want to talk to you a little about my article that came in the Sunday Gleaner. No, Sunday Gleaner, in the Saturday Gleaner. I didn't even know it was published. This amazing writer from the Gleaner, she contacted me because another person who I grew up with in Portland told her that Nazila make moves and you have to write about her. And yeah, we were back and forth and we took some time, and then finally we connected and she wrote this amazing article about me in the Gleaner. And I am so grateful and thankful for that. And for all my subscribers who shared the article, who looking for the article, thank you so much. It's been a journey. It's been an amazing journey. It's been something amazing. I don't know how to explain it. I am in France and I'm, shaking up, making noise, not just, like sitting back and just chilling. I am doing what I was supposed to do on this earth, and it's to be great. And it's okay to talk about yourself like that. Do not forget that, Cocos. Talk about yourself like that, because if you don't, who else is going to do it for you? And then people will start to be attracted to your confidence, and then they will get confident as well. And you attract what you inspire. So I hope I inspire you all to be amazing, great people, because I'm over here making noise. Concerts are not fully in swing as yet, but for the musical festival that's coming up this month, I have a concert with a guitarist. His name is Paul Steady and he's based in Nantes. And yeah, we're gonna mash up the place. But yeah, I can't wait for concerts to be fully in swing. I know I have a couple dates with a professional band in the center of France in July. I'll talk more about that once I have all the information on hand, but I know I have a couple dates, and this is just from knowing professional musicians. And what they do is they have a booker, like somebody who books the tours, and I got a tour for 4 or 5 nights in the center of France in July. So I'm looking forward to that. And never doubt your abilities. So if you know you're good at something, do it. One of the pictures I used in the article, well, 2 of the pictures that I used in the article belonged to, well, I am on the picture, but the photographer, he wanted to be mentioned, and it's normal and natural. It's his work, and the Gleaner was having a problem with that and whatever. So the story on Instagram was taken down because of that. So if you're not seeing the story on Instagram, that's why. But they've worked it out, and he will be credited. So yeah. The story will go back up. I don't know when, I don't know how. So yeah. But here, check out what I had for breakfast, lunch, and I'm not cooking for dinner. Like, I'm not doing any dinner. I think I'll just probably do some soup, or we have some leftover quiche. The quiche has like carrots and mushrooms in them. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, so Thomas has a big bowl of coffee with some milk and vanilla. I have a small bowl with milk for my cereal. And I use what do you call it? Qu'est-ce que c'est en anglais? Avoine. Oats. Brioche. And bread. Baguette. Toasted baguette. With butter. And we generally have, Thomas had some oranges earlier. But because it's strawberry season, we're having strawberries. Okay, cuckoos, so now I'm going to be cleaning all the windows in the house. Hey guys, just finished cleaning the windows in this area. Of course, there is so much to do in this house, but I have forever to do it. So I only did 4 windows, and that took me 2 hours. So now it's time for lunch. It's probably 1 o'clock, and I'm just going to show you how I seasoned my fish, make the sauce, make the carrots, and then I'll do the, okay, I need to turn on the stove.
For lunch, we're having grilled salmon, ginger, cumin, honey, carrots, roasted carrots, and a coconut curry sauce. Bon appétit!
Merci, bon appétit.
Ah, c'est bien cuit, mon salmon. Peut-être pas le tien, ou c'est bien cuit?
D'accord.
Yeah, Cocos. So now it's Sunday night. I have an interview with a radio station in Canada in a few hours. I think in like an hour and a half with an amazing woman. Her name is Camelia Guthrie. I will actually leave her link below for Instagram if you want to go and check her out. CG Communications. She is doing her thing in Canada, and she'll be talking to me about our big campaign that I want to continue to share with you, and I want you to, you know, support the thing. And the period poverty in Jamaica. We alone can't do it, you know. It has to be a global thing. It has to be people who really understand the process. And maybe you don't understand where I'm coming from, so I'm going to tell you. Actually, when I started my period, I was probably 9 or 10. And when I started my period, my grandmother, she made a big thing about it. She made me feel so bad to actually have my period, and my period is something natural and something, you know, that we talk about. And you know, the time when I probably this was in 2000. It was in the year 2000. So I didn't turn 10 as yet, and I had fallen in a cabinet glass. Yeah, but it dropped down in our cabinet glass, and the leg was bandaged, and then I was walking with crutches, and then me I feel blood. Like I saw blood coming out, and I was like, what is this? And for a couple of days I said nothing to no one, because I was like, shit, what me do wrong? And when I finally told my grandmother, and I was using tissue paper, yeah. And when I finally said it to her, she got really upset with me and stuff, like say, and me call it down by myself. And then she gave me money, and I walked to the store down the road. Miss Pete. Remember Miss Pete shop down above Bay? Yeah. I went to her shop and I bought a pack of Stay Free. Yeah. My first pack of Stay Free. And yeah, that's how it started. And I want women, I want young girls in Jamaica to be a bit more educated on this. Because I think they don't know, they don't understand. And if you're born and grow a country or even town where nobody not talk to you about these things, yeah, you get lost in it, and then you get you know, you get confused and you don't know what to do. So yeah, this is what this campaign is about: ending period poverty in all the sense of it, sending knowledge to young women. We are working with the My Wish for You Foundation. No, that's our foundation. We are working with the Women You Can JA Foundation on Instagram, and they're the ones that are distributing the pads. With my friend Katie, we were able to send over 400 packs to Jamaica, and we want to do 5,000 now. Can you help us get to that point, please? Get to that goal. We already have $1,000 US. So yeah, we just need your support, please and thank you. But yeah, I'll be giving 5 persons, you know, to signify the 500. Yeah. 5 persons something from the for 500 subscribers. Yeah, I mean, not talk no pion things. I talk nice things. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe with your family and friends. Don't forget to tell them to share it with somebody, to share, because I am on YouTube. Tell me what you thought about this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Me keep on a beg, but yeah, thumbs up, don't forget. Because sometimes you watch it, you have the views, but you don't have the thumbs up. Alright guys, bye!